Okay, so the last step for installing your shower stuff is the shower head. And so this is just the pipe bib that I have in there temporarily, so I'm going to unscrew this. And the reason I like to keep these installed is to help with drywall or tile. It just helps you create your holes, your notches, whatever you need for your finishes. So I'm going to set this aside and now pick up the actual finished piece. And so if you've taken a shower before, this is probably very familiar to you. This is exactly what it's going to look like, and then this is our sconce here. And so if you can imagine, our sconce will fit over top, and then here is our shower head, and this will all fit into the wall. And so typically you have your long end into the wall, and so if you can see this, there is a long end and there is a short end. And so this would be the long end, this would be the part that extends into the wall. For whatever reason, if you need to install this, it's not really a big deal if you wanted to put this into the wall first. You could totally do that if it made more sense. But for our installation, we're going to use the long end first. And so what you want to do is go ahead and grab your tape. And thread it around here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clean up any of the stragglers. Roll it, and then I'm going to thread this by hand. I like to do it by hand for 2 reasons. I can typically put enough torque on it, as well as this is a finished piece, so I don't want to mar it with the aggressive jaws of some of the tools. Okay, pretty tight. So if you didn't feel secure about how many times you could turn this and how it's fitting there, then you could go ahead and get your channel locks on it. But like we said, you would want to make sure that either you have soft jaws or if you have something protecting this, because you don't want to get in here, and this is brand new, you don't want to put nicks in this metal because it is the finished surface. And so next step is to install our sconce, and our sconce has basically 4 tabs, and these are just slightly beveled in. And what it allows a pressure fit, and so it's basically just going to squeeze down this pipe and keep it in place. So if you feel like it's ever wobbling around or shaking and not staying up there, you can always just slightly push these in a little bit so it's a little bit of a tighter fit. I'm going to slide this on, and bam. And that's it. And so as you can tell, I haven't quite done the drywall yet. And so what I'm going to need to do is probably uninstall this, finish the drywall, finish painting, and then come back and reinstall this. Okay, the next step is the shower head. So 4 wraps of this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then same thing with this. This is actually plastic right here, so I don't really want to get my channel locks on it and risk denting this, scratching it, or anything like that. So to start, I'm going to do it by hand and thread it on there. So if it has a certain face that you would want to align, this one says mowing right here, so it would look nice if I had it level the words. And that's about it. And so if you can see back here, there's a little bit of yellow tape. It's always nicest just to get back there and scrape that off and remove that so that whoever your homeowner is won't be seeing that all the time. It's just a nice little way to finish things off. And that's about it. And so like I said, if you felt more comfortable getting a wrench on that, that's fine. Just be careful. Some of them actually have flattened edges where you can put in an adjustable wrench and just slowly tighten it, and that way it won't mar it with the aggressive jaws of a pipe wrench or your channel locks. And so that is it. All of our pieces are installed here, and we're ready to go test the shower. So now we're going to go downstairs, turn on the water, and see if everything works.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.